So we just got to the junkyard. I had to come here today because I got a good deal on a credit here at the pick-a-part. I paid $20 for it. Plus I wanted to come and check out this old Pathfinder here. This is a first gen. This is a 1989. So we have our triangular window here. This one's a two-wheel drive. Man, I like this yellow on this 89. That is so crispy. Here's a 2001 R50. Not quite sure what I'm gonna take off of this guy. Well, like I said, I just got here, so I'm gonna be looking around just to see. I mean, you got some good things. There's a Pathfinder here with a tire carrier on it, and I'm scheming on taking it, to be honest. Ooh, I really like these wheels right here. I like these on the Pathfinders. They're nice. Be nice if I could find another tonneau cover, one that's black. Ooh, this one had the leather interior with the wood grain. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah, this one's really nice. I mean, the driver's seat, you know, has some wear and tear, but I've seen worse. Still got our factory head unit in here. This thing is still pretty sharp. And like I said, I really like the wheels. So what do you guys think, man? Should I get that tire carrier or what? I don't need it. I'm just gonna sell it. I just love the thrill. This would be tire carrier number 3. And that particular R50, one that does have the tire carrier on it, it's been here for weeks. At least 3 weeks by my count. Here's a second generation Pathfinder. Got this green one, and then this red one over here with the SE wheels on it. And then there's 2 more back down this way. Cool. Alright guys, here we have a 2001 Infiniti QX4. And this is what I was talking about, the variation or the hatch release. In 2001, like I said, I believe that's when they made the change to relocate things here to the driver door. This is a 2000 Infiniti QX4, and this one has the hatch glass release button located on the driver's side door panel. Like I said in the previous video, I believed it was 2001 that they made the change, but it looks like they actually made it as early as 2000 for this QX4. I know there are some R50s between 2001 and 2004 where they do have this feature, but I believe that is reserved for the LE Platinum trim R50s. Don't quote me on this. There's a few R50s that actually have this feature, but the button is located there. Where it concerns the button being located on the dash, for the QX4, it's gonna be 97 through 99. Interesting. I'll tell you what, guys, I often talk about winning, but right now I'm gonna talk about losing some too, because I was looking for a door card from a 5th gen Nissan Altima. This is what's left of a 2013. And I mean, this is what happens. As soon as they hit the yard, they get tossed because you never really see them in the yard that much. It's like a 1% thing. And yeah, I needed that door card for the driver's side door, but somebody took all 4 doors already. So I'm gonna have to keep trying on that note. So this R50 right here has a tire carrier on it. I'm gonna go take a closer look. So this is a 97 R50 gold, and that's the one thing that this R50 has in common with all the other ones that I've pulled from. They've all been the same color, and they've all been relatively close together. I have a 96, a 98, and then this one's a 97. And I'm gonna get this guy off of, if it still works. It looks like it has a little bit of pre-existing damage, but I mean, who cares as long as it swings open and closes correctly. Let's test it. Smooth operation. Just like the last one that I pulled, this guy is missing the stop pin, and there's pre-existing damage. But I mean, outside of that, everything's here. I don't know. I'm debating. This one looks really, really good. It looks even better than the one that I'm keeping for my personal R50. I mean, look. Sticker's still here. Sticker's still on mine also, but this one's in better shape paint-wise. I mean, you got a little patina, a little bit of patina going here. But today I'm strictly on the prowl for things that are gonna make me money. I don't necessarily want to spend money on anything that I'm gonna have to sit on for a prolonged amount of time. I don't know if I'm gonna get that one or not. Alright guys, so I went home, I slept on it, and I decided to come back and get this thing. Should get this plate too, this plate holder. The one that I have, the letters are all worn out, but this one looks good. But let's get back to this tire carrier, guys. I mean, this is tire carrier number 3. Again, this is on a 97 R50. Talk about hustling on the come up. I ended up getting this from a lady on Facebook Marketplace. This is junkyard credits. See the dollar amount? And that's what I spent so far. And this is what I have left, and I'm about to spend that now on this tire carrier. Hustle. Just arriving to the local post office here. I have a few packages I need to drop off. Just dropping off a few parts that need to be mailed out here. I'm gonna get these dropped off so my customers can enjoy their new car parts. One customer is in Oregon, and the other one is all the way in Puerto Rico. And shout out to my Puerto Rican customers. This is my 3rd customer from the island of Puerto Rico, and I'm just happy to say that I'm able to help someone out. Sending off these 2 packages, and just like that, it's gone. And just like that, guys, we were able to turn our $20 into hundreds of dollars. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks again for stopping by the Camperdan Files. My name is Chris. And if you like watching this kind of stuff, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. And while you're at it, also consider subscribing, as I have a lot more fun and interesting content on the way. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a pathfinder, on or off the pavement.